Steve Johnson here. I'm all excited because I'm reading the latest issue of our newsletter, Overnight Lite, the January-February issue. You've already received it in the mail if you're a subscriber, but if you're not, you'll want to go to our website, www.copresco.com, and subscribe. It's free, and you'll get our funny little jokes in the mail every month, and you get to read about, well, let's see, in this issue, we've got Steve and Lynn holding the latest awards Copresco's won. There's John with the latest equipment we've acquired. I know what you're thinking. Steve, every month you win more awards and acquire more equipment. It's true, we're on a roll, and we couldn't do it without you. We buy all this equipment because it does what you need us to do. Better, faster, cheaper, as all those mottos say. Really, it does. We're doing it for you. And we win prizes printing your materials. So keep those orders coming. We'll keep the newsletters coming. Remember to subscribe so we can send it to you in the mail. Why read it online when you can get a piece of paper printed, beautiful high-end color with our beautiful faces, we must say. So keep the orders coming and we'll keep the newsletters coming.